Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So ngifuna ukureacta la kwingoma entsha ephume laphana under Inkabi Record ingoma Maskandi lephana. So baqala ukhipha ingoma Maskandi uSiyantuli hamsana noBig Zulu. So ingoma ibizwa Maphiko and lo nyaka bebeshilo bathi bazokhipha album Maskandi. Bengicamba bajoka ba serious ngempela. So ngizwile ingoma and I think abantu abaningi baya receive kahle. I'm happy ngeproduction yakhona. The only issue enginanga ingoma i-auto-tune. I think auto-tune bayifaya kakhulu laphana kuSiyantuli ndisamazi umuntu ovele uphiwe unesiphiwe une-voice, so there was no need for i-auto-tune engaka. So yona indlela engifila I hope mase silalela album yonke ingoma eningazi zokuba nalo auto-tune yabo le engaka, but I think ingoma imnandi ihlangene production izwakele nabantu bamaskandi bayithandile because another mistake enzakala ama-artist engenza umaskandi menza umaskandi vele enza ingoma maskandi but ingasound njengalezi ezinye ingoma zamaskandi. So leyana I think bathathe abantu aba-right mhlawumbe laphana ku-production bahlanganiswa lo maskandi bacompose leyo nto leyana I think ihlangene nawo leyo nto le isigingci nje sakhona like iwumaskandi. So sengiyabhiliva-ke manje maybe kuzoba i-album amaskandi edope because benginawo lokho ukuthi mina bazophinde besikhiphe i-album amaskandi but engasound lakho umaskandi mhlawumbe ibe nakho lokho iphinde ibe naloshuna bo afro pop unyana but leyo abekhiphile umaskandi and I think uBig Zulu ukhuphuye kakhulu laphana yona uSiyantuli nje I think issue yami lakho auto-tune ithanda ukuba too much kanti wena umuntu one voice I don't think uyawudingana nokudinga when it comes to ingoma zamaskandi because already vele bengishilo une voice ke but nje angihappy ukuthi ngibone i-record label engenza umaskandi ithathe le chance because umaskandi right now uyatrenda upopular ulapha phezulu. So ukuthatha leya gap lana because I feel like ulahlile umaskandi especially for anyone ongenza umaskandi. I think nje ngafike ngene kumaskandi laphana enze ama numbers amaningi ngalendlela with ama-fans akhe nama-fans amaskandi because ama-fans amaskandi ahlezi ready for umuntu ovela ngaphandle. So I think uSiyantuli laphana uzofika enzahla kumaskandi. So shout out to Inkabi Record. I think bayibambile ifomula laphana abantu ababehind Inkabi Record banayo vision bayazi into abayenza laphana. So indlela nje abamuva ngayo I feel like that is one of the biggest record label of our time Inkabi Record. Indlela nje abamuva ngayo I think isekhona ifuture kubona laphana. So Speaker Nawe sithi I know asibathulela isigqoko. Anyway sekhona ku Twitter @Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku TikTok c.speaker.nawe and sikhona na ku Twitch Speaker Nawe. Away we out.